Hello and welcome to Alice's Garden Plate. I help gardeners connect their gardens to their plates by sharing tips and also my recipes that utilize the harvest, either from fresh or preserved. Today I am making beef Birria tacos. Simmer the dehydrated peppers in 5 minutes in bone broth. Do watch the video in its entirety because there's a lot of great tips that I show you how to easily get more flavor profile in your food. An easy way to get flavor is sauteing your vegetables prior to putting into the braising liquid. By splitting the seasonings in half, you are ensuring that the flavor profile is at its fullest. But warming up the first part of it, all of the essential oils that are in the peppers will be released. Sifting the braising liquid before using will give a better consistency later on for dipping. Do save the pulp for later on, like chilies and things like that. Fill the braising liquid halfway up the roast, then place back into the smoker. Take the tortilla and dip it into the braising liquid while the roast is resting. It has plenty of oil in there from the fat that has been rendered. Fry, put your toppings at delight. Nice and crispy, great for dipping.